Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will explain the importance of bulk density in tablet manufacturing. Bulk density is a crucial parameter in tablet manufacturing that refers to the mass of a powder divided by its bulk volume. It plays a significant role in the formulation and production of high-quality tablets. Here's why bulk density is important in tablet manufacturing. 1. Formulation development. Bulk density is a fundamental property used during the formulation development of tablets. It helps in selecting appropriate excipients and determining the optimal ratio of excipients to active pharmaceutical ingredients. Formulators aim to achieve the desired bulk density to ensure proper powder flow. Compression and tablet uniformity. 2. Powder flow ability. Bulk density influences the flow ability of powders, which is crucial for efficient and consistent tablet manufacturing processes. Powders with appropriate bulk density flow more freely through hopper systems, feeders, and tablet presses, resulting in uniform tablet weight and content uniformity. 3. Compression behavior. During tablet compression, the bulk density of the powder affects the tablet's mechanical strength. Powders with optimal bulk density provide better interparticle interactions and cohesion, leading to tablets with suitable hardness and reduced risk of capping or lamination. 4. Tablet weight uniformity. Bulk density is directly related to the weight of the powder per unit volume. Tablets with consistent bulk density ensure uniform filling of the dies during compression, resulting in tablets with accurate and uniform weight, improving dose content uniformity across a batch. 5. Tablet dissolution and drug release. The bulk density of the powder can impact the rate of tablet disintegration and drug dissolution. Tablets with appropriate bulk density disintegrate rapidly, leading to faster drug release, which is particularly important for immediate release formulations. 6. Tablet appearance and aesthetics. Proper bulk density contributes to the tablet's appearance, smoothness, and absence of surface defects. Tablets with consistent bulk density have a uniform surface and are less prone to defects like capping, chipping, or sticking. 7. Process efficiency and yield. Optimizing bulk density ensures efficient production processes with minimal downtime and rejects. Tablets with consistent bulk density reduce the likelihood of powder segregation, compression issues, and tablet defects, resulting in higher manufacturing yields. 8. Packaging and storage. Tablets with appropriate bulk density occupy consistent volumes, leading to efficient and cost-effective packaging. Moreover, uniform tablet dimensions resulting from consistent bulk density promote better tablet stacking and storage. Conclusion: bulk density plays a critical role in tablet manufacturing, influencing formulation development, powder flow, compression behavior, tablet weight uniformity, dissolution, appearance, and process efficiency. Maintaining proper bulk density ensures the production of high-quality tablets with accurate dosing, efficient manufacturing processes, and consistent drug release, all of which are vital for delivering safe and effective medications to patients. I hope you liked the information. Thank you for watching video.